Hello guys, a good day. For today's video, samahan niyo akong mag-workout. Today's leg workout. In 3, 2, 1, let's go! So, palabas na ako ng bahay and maglalakad lang ako papuntang gym. Parang ito na rin yung pinaka-cardio ko. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to walk from my house to the gym. Located yung gym at the second floor. Maliit lang siya pero kompleto ang equipment. So tara na, let's do this! I'll start with the squat. By doing the squat, aside from toning the legs, we are burning more fat also and enhancing our core strength. So this will be 12 reps, 3 sets here. Then another machine for squats. Leg press squats. Excellent source for a full leg and lower back workout. Another 12 reps, 3 sets here. Let's move on to another deadly leg press workout. But I guess one of my favorites, because this workout is not only for our legs but also for our bum. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Then we'll proceed with a seated leg press. Adjust the position of the machine, take a seat, grasp the handle, and pump. Like the other workout, we will do 12 reps, 3 sets here. I'm starting to feel exhausted and my legs are getting sore. But we have to move to our 5th exercise, seated leg extension. Sit on the machine and ensure your knees are bent 90 degrees. Slowly extend your legs while keeping your body stationary on the seat. Of course, 12 sets and 3 sets here. And for the last, don't forget to at least hit your calves. Yeah, we're almost done. Just slowly go up and down. Feel the intense to your calves. 12 reps, 3 sets here. At natapos na din ang ating leg workout. This workout is good for all beginners. Make sure na you only lift the weight na you can carry ha. Parang sa lab lang yan. Huwag natin pilitin kung nabibigatan at nahihirapan ka. Char. Salamat! Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Click the notification bell para updated ka sa susunod na workout session natin.